Oh boy, I'm on the 1000. This is gonna be interesting. Only go as fast as you make them go, though. I can tell him used to Harley with how far I kick my leg over. Damn, this is a big bike. Like, not necessarily like. Figured that out. Oh, it's gonna get hot.
Alright, this bike's gonna be equipped with Kawasaki's quick shifter.
Alright.
Starts and stops in first gear. You'll have to start out with your clutch and you'll have to stop with your clutch. You will not have to use your clutch to upshift through the gears or downshift.
But I can if I want to?
Say again?
I can if I want to, though?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Alright.
It's a manual feature.
For sure.
But when upshifting, you don't have to roll off your throttle, just use your shifter.
Oh, okay.
Downshifting, you will have to ease off just a little bit.
Alright, for sure.
Any questions?
No, I think I remember that.
Alright, cool.
I'm not gonna remember that. Let's put this bitch down first. So this is not coming up.
Alright, listen carefully for the name of your bike before you depart. This is the Kawasaki Good Times Solo Tour. Got the Good Times roll. Let's go Ninja 1000 Z900.
This is about to be fucking fun. Let's get this bread. Oh! Oh! Speed shifting! Oh, I love this. Oh, nice. Fuck me, I might need to get a 1000 instead of the 650 or 636. Holy shit. It's got good seating. This thing is 145 horsepower. That's like astronomically more than my Harley makes. Is it a 135 or 145? That's easily 40 more than mine makes. Oh, track bike, baby. Okay, so he said I can just downshift it too if I feel like it without having to hold the clutch. Let's figure that out. Woo! Oh, this bike is so cheatsy. Ah, this is so cheatsy. It's just a familiar race bike. Holy shit, I love it so much. Highway? Let's fucking get the highway. I hope the Versys guy in front of me is ready to fucking run the throttle on that thing. Damn, this thing's a ripper. Holy shit, I'm going 80 and 5th. Oh my god, I need one. I need one. I really need one. Holy shit. Holy shit. Fucking holy shit. Oh shit. That means the 636 has a shifter like this. Oh, the 636 has a shifter like this. Fuck. Hell yeah, dude. I'm a changed man. I no longer require a 600. I need a 1000. I need a 1K. Ah, fuck. I'm gonna ride this again before the demo is over. This is my promise to you guys. It won't be on camera, but it will happen before the demo is over. Oh. This thing is a fucking beast, dude. Oh, 650, suck my ass. No, 650 is still a good bike for a commuter, but something about this, it's bigger, obviously, because it's a 1000. It's got better seating. It's got really fucking good seating. Like, this is a plush seat. For a race bike, it has got a very comfortable seat, which is mental to me. Oh, I'm in love. Like, the 650 had a decent seat on it, but like something about it was a bit too thin. This has good seating. Like, it's got a nice thick plush pad on it. I'm not really feeling a whole lot of wind on my head either, which is surprising considering how tall I am. This is a big bike. Like, I fit on this bike. Position and all, it's nice. Oh, fuck. Mac, what are you gonna do if I buy a 1000 that goes above your Z900 or your... Ooh, MT1, hello. This is such a nice ride though. Like, this puts my Harley to shame, which I know a sport bike does anyway. But even in ride quality, at this very point in time where it's like 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes into a demo ride, puts my Harley to shame. It puts every Harley I've been on at this point to shame. It has a shit ton more horsepower. I've already covered that, but like, it's just mind-boggling to me. Like, my bike's a 96 with some work done to it. It's about a 1600cc bike. This is a 1000, and I'm going 50 in third gear. I'd be in fifth gear by now on the Harley, which is like, I know it's all gearing and shit, but like, god damn, guys. I need to be on this bike again. Like, I rode the 650 twice. 650 ain't got shit on this. Stop except right turn. Leader bike sound, babies. I love this. I need a leader bike in my life. Alright, I'm not gonna corner hard on this because, like I said, I mean, leader bike life is cool and all, but this could easily wheelie. That's why I'm not using the clutch right now, because it's got the auto shifter like that guy says, so I just gotta like roll off and kick it, you know? I don't have to roll off and kick it. He didn't say that. That's just me out of habit rolling off to kick it. I don't have to roll off to kick it down. I am a reformed man. I think it's the fairing in front of me that keeps me like from feeling like I'm gonna fall off the front like I did on the Z900. Like, it was a good riding bike, don't get me wrong, but after you ride some of the other shit, it's like, damn, I should have started on something else so I could give a legitimate comparison instead of like, ooh, it's nice, you know? Like, nakeds are cool, they're always gonna be cool. But there's just something about a 1000cc leader bike with a full fairing that just hits different. Give her the beans! See, my slow cornering is made up for by the fact this thing's a fucking monster of a bike. 40 in second. 40 in second gear, guys. At 4,000 RPM. I mean, like, come on. Okay, I'll shift up to third really quick, though. Oh, I love this. Fuck. Oh, man, this is such a nice riding bike. No qualms about cornering on it. Could definitely do a different exhaust, so I'll say that about every bike I ever ride that's stock. It's got a lot of pickup, a lot of pickup. See, I don't mind being first this time. I'm on a bike I understand. I mean, granted, the 636 ZX6R sounds a lot better. This moves a lot better. Oh, I love this. You're gonna hear me say nothing but I love this. This is my first impressions of this bike. I haven't even looked it up on YouTube or Google. It's just been so far big bike ride. I belong on a 1000. I've decided right now I belong on a 1000 for everyday intents and purposes. I need one. Ah, this is so nice. I could guarantee you I probably speed every day though. Guarantee it. If Yamaha has any demo days, let me clarify what I just said. You know I'm gonna be on an R1. In an R6, an MT, because I like that way the MTs sound. But there's just something about the R series with the fairing that looks sexy to me. Like, that's why I like the Ninjas, because the fairing is just so good to me. It is definitely a new feeling though, push-pulling this thing through corners, because I'm used to ape hangers. But then you get down here on these and like my thumb locks up a little bit because it's got so much carpal tunnel from my arthritis too, whatever. If Suzuki has one, they better have a fucking Hayabusa there. I want to ride one of those too. That's on my bucket list. Hopefully this wind isn't bothering y'all too much. I know that the mic inside the helmet helps greatly with that, but I can hear it through me on my helmet with my visor up a little bit, so like that one was good. When I look behind, that's me checking to make sure that one's like up my ass so I can take the whole corner the way I want to. And they're staying pretty decently back from what I can tell. So, I mean, I'll take it, right? I feel like there is so much more to this bike than I'm able to do right now, which is a guarantee. I mean, I've been going 40 on a 1000cc bike. There's more than this that the bike has to offer, you know? Stale green. If this guy goes through, I go through. He went through. Took that like a champ. Took that like a champ too. Everybody else made it through, so apparently it stayed green for a while. would sure be cool if they take us on the highway back, like not get us on the highway right there. But I understand there's one highway section per ride. I'm in love with this bike though. This bike is awesome. It's fucking great. This turns green, it's gonna be a bitch though, because I always get the outside corner on these things somehow. That was a good one. I know it wasn't even a high RPM, but just sorry, I don't make sound effects in my free time, you can tell. But god damn, does this thing move? Holy shit. Just riding these street bikes is gonna be the death of me. Holy shit. Like, not necessarily the death of me, but like, I'm gonna die because I'm gonna buy one and someone's gonna kick my ass. Mom. Mom's gonna kick my ass for buying something that's so big. Like, my Harley's big, but that's manageable. This is, holy fucking shit. These are the guys that race around the house all the time big. Sheesh. Oh, I so fucking need one of these. Holy shit. That was fucking amazing. Like, holy shit, that was fucking amazing. Woo. Damn. Ah, there it is. Holy shit.